My name is Jordan Race, and I'm a Senior Propulsion Test Engineer here at Relativity Space. Rockets have always been a passion of mine. I got my first model rocket kit as a 7-year-old. It was a birthday gift from my parents, and ever since then I've just been building bigger and bigger rockets. Aerospace has always been a passion of mine, and it was just a natural continuation. You know, I knew what I wanted to study in college from day one, and Relativity really is just like the dream outcome to be working here and designing a rocket from the ground up. Here at Stennis, I specifically work on the E2 test stand, which is a component test stand. So we'll test the individual gas generator, TCA, igniter, and quite frequently we're testing a test article that's never been hot fired before. Brand new design, no one really knows how well it's going to perform, and that's one of the more exciting things I think for my specific role here at Relativity Space. I live in Picayune, which is about a 15-20 minute drive north of here, and I really like it. It's got a small town feel, but I'm 45 minutes away from New Orleans, 30 minutes away from the beach. My favorite thing to do is eat. I like to eat good food. I like to try new drinks. There's just so many different options. You know, I love going to like Sunday brunch at Arnaud's in the French Quarter and listening to jazz, or going to the Bay St. Louis, walking my dog around the beach and having lunch outside. There's a really good sense of camaraderie here with the team. I mean, obviously when we're working on projects, it's wonderful, but even outside of work, I've had people, you know, help me haul stuff when I moved. A couple of our awesome electrical technicians came and installed my washer dryer outlet, which was great because I was afraid I was going to electrocute myself. So yeah, whether it's in or out of the office, there's just a really great team mentality, and people are willing to help, and you know, we're all friends here.